Hello. In this video, I will be examining the standard deviation channel indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator marks channels on the chart for us, which we can use both as support and resistance levels, and also for setting stop loss and take profit levels in our trades. This indicator works in such a way.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
That it first calculates the linear regression over the specified range and fits a line to the closing prices within this range. And then, using the coefficients that we specify for you, it calculates the deviation and subtracts these coefficients from the middle line, which is shown with a dotted line, and also adds to this line. These lines you see are actually coefficients of the standard deviation relative to the middle line that was initially calculated. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option is the starting candle for calculations, which if set to 0 considers the free candle, the higher the number. For example, if we set this parameter to 10, it starts calculating from 10 candles earlier. The second option set is the number of candles that participate in the calculations, which by default is set to 120. The next two options, watching, are the coefficients we apply to the standard deviation. The first option is for the two lines that are closer to the middle line, and the second option is the coefficients for the two lines that are farther away. If, for example, we set this to 3, you can see that now these two lines are twice the standard deviation away from the middle line. If we set it to 3, you can see that now they are 3 times the standard deviation away from this line. We can adjust these coefficient parameters based on the symbol we are trading and also the time frame we are in. Determine and specify. Let's watch a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. You can also use the MT5 version and this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. Let's watch a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.